Hello everyone, welcome to the Movie Guide channel. For this video today, we're going to be doing a cover of Sledgehammer by Leo Moracchioli. Hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and let's check this video, shall we? That was not a bad cover, that was. It was actually quite nice, that was. Nice again, nice beats as well on top of that and that. Like the original one there, I liked Peter Gabriel and everything else, and yeah, it was not a bad cover, that was. Not bad at all, that was. Hope you all enjoyed that one. It was not bad, that one was. Now we move on now to the sing song. Hope that one is just as good, so let's go, shall we?